Hey guys, so we're here at 960 Corolla Drive and we are in the home stretch. So much has been done on this house. So we're gonna go inside and take a look. The furniture was just ordered. So again, we're just in the home stretch. Let's go in and check it out. As we enter the home, we're actually on the mid-level, but we're gonna check out the downstairs ground floor to start out. You'll notice the luxury vinyl plank flooring. This runs throughout all the main living areas. It will stand up to sand, water, renters. It's the perfect choice for a beach house. The rec room does offer a nice sized kitchenette. You've got plenty of cabinetry, full-size fridge, microwave. You're going to be able to have a pool table here as well as a nice sized sitting area. So if you want to come hang out, maybe watch the game, you could definitely do that. There's going to be a nice sized TV along this wall. It also has excellent flow out to the pool area. In addition to the pool, there's also going to be a hot tub out there, and then the pergola is going to provide a nice shady spot. This is your elevator that we're walking by. You also have a powder room down here on this level. Again, great if you're by the pool and you just want to run in. You've got that luxury vinyl plank flooring. The laundry room is also found on the ground level, and that again is a perfect choice for a beach house. If you're coming back and you've got some sandy towels, you're not dragging them all the way through the house. And then here on the ground level, we also have a private ensuite bedroom. Now you're going to notice that all the showers here do have beautiful tile surrounds. There's also quartz countertops that has either been installed or will be installed in all the bathrooms, as well as in that laundry room that you saw. The tile here, it's hard to see because it needs to be cleaned, but it's just a beautiful green tone. And that really is the color scheme throughout the house, is beautiful blues and greens to really bring in that beach feel. In the bathrooms, you're going to have luxury vinyl tile. So again, the low maintenance flows throughout the house. The second floor is where we're going to find 4 bedrooms. As we enter the front bedroom here, one of the things that you're going to notice as we're touring the home is that all of the bedrooms have great natural light. They also all have access to the decks here on this level. In the ensuite bath, you're going to notice the spa-like feel with the pebbled stones. Consistent neutral color schemes throughout the house give it a nice flow. Here would be the elevator access for the second floor. And then the back bedroom, again, is flooded with natural light, just really beautiful the way they've laid out the windows and the doors, the sliders going out onto the decks. And then in here, you're going to see beautiful navy vanity, great quartz countertops. They did the brushed brass accents on the light fixtures as well as the hardware that will be installed in the shower. And then we have the navy blue accent tile to tie into the vanity. across the hall, we consider this to be more of the kids' side of the home because this is going to be where your bunk beds are located. A lot of thought was put into this, and if you notice, the ceiling fan is all enclosed, so it's nice and safe for a bunk room. This is going to be your Jack and Jill bath, which will be shared between the twin bedroom and the bunk room. Again, another navy blue vanity, beautiful quartz countertops. And then this is probably one of my favorite tiles that was used in this home. You've got a pretty fish scale type design in it that brings in different shades of blue. And then the bathtub is really nice and deep. The front bedroom is going to be outfitted with 2 twin beds. Again, this home was designed with lots of versatility. As we go up onto the top level, you actually have a landing here, and this is where your powder room is going to be located. The attention to detail with things like having the windows in here is just really nice, and it's something that we don't see in your typical beach house. You'll also notice the craftsman style trim. The LVP flooring just brings such nice warmth to the property. You notice the high ceilings. We specifically chose some really pretty coastal lighting choices. This is going to be where the fireplace will be installed in the next week or so. We have a great ceiling fan here, really helps circulate the air. And then again, following the coastal lighting, we've got a nice oyster shell chandelier here. You can see the shiplap that we have on the fireplace, which has also been brought over to the island. Notice the attention to detail here on the cabinets. We have under cabinet lighting, crown molding. The quartz countertop was back ordered, so as soon as that's installed, we're also going to have beautiful navy blue backsplash going in. We have the double ovens here, pantry area, and just a fabulous great room. Tons of space for people to really be able to spread out. And this is your top floor for the elevator. As we head into the primary bedroom here on this top floor, you're going to notice that this bedroom has its own private deck. And this is facing out on the ocean side of the property. You also have 2 huge closets here, so his and hers closets, and then we enter into a gorgeous spa-like bath. The pebbled stone has its little niche in there. This shower actually has a built-in bench. There's going to be double vanity as well as an area to sit and do makeup, your hair, that type of thing. If you'd like more information on this gorgeous home, give us a call, shoot us a text, and let's schedule a showing.